everyone, my name is Richelyn Aikalaunan, and I will be talking about the usefulness of number pattern and the kind of things that represent the Fibonacci sequence.
The Fibonacci sequence is a series of numbers where each number is the sum of the two preceding ones. It usually starts with 0 and 1. Each number in the sequence grows progressively larger as the series continues. The Fibonacci sequence appears in various areas of mathematics and nature. Example in nature including arrangement of the leaves on its stem. Second, branches of the tree. And lastly, even the spirals of the shells.
Fibonacci sequence, named after the Italian mathematician Leonardo of Pisa. So let's start. Number 1. How might know these number patterns to be useful? Recognizing pattern helps in predicting future outcomes. So number 2. What kind of things can be the numbers in the Fibonacci sequence represent? How the sequence is applied or observed in different contexts. For example, in nature. Leaves, flowers, trees, and shells. And you can also see the Fibonacci sequence in art and designs. How the sequence is used to create aesthetically pleasing compositions and structures based on its relation to the golden ratio.
That's all, thank you. I hope you understand our lesson and see you next time.